Welcome back. In this video, we shall learn how to update object properties in JavaScript, and we can do that using the dot notation. For example, let's say we want to update the name from Emily Bassi to Emily Chima because Emily got divorced and is married to Chima now. We'll say, let's get rid of this. To do that, we'll say Emily.name using the dot notation is equal to Emily Chima. Now let's say console.log Emily, and let's run our code. As you can see, the name property has been updated to Emily Chima. Before we go to the next video, let's learn how to add new properties to an object and how to delete properties from an object. To add a property to an object using the dot notation, we can say, let's get rid of this. Let's say Emily dot location is equal to Abuja. And when we console.log Emily now, you see an object property location with a value of Abuja has been added to our object list. Also, if you want to add an object property that has more than one word as the key, like place of birth, then you should use the bracket notation to do so. Let's say I want to add her favorite band. Let's say I want to add an object property of her favorite band. I would say Emily, then I'll use this, say favorite band, and I'll set this to code play. Now let's console.log Emily, and let's run our code. As you can see, we have an object property of favorite band set to code play. And finally, let's learn how to delete an object property from an object list. To do that, we just use the delete keyword like so. So let's get rid of this again. You just say delete Emily.children, and that's it. If I console.log Emily now, you'd notice children has been deleted from the object list. And also, if you want to delete an object property that has more than one word, you use the brackets notation. So you can say Emily place of birth, and when I console.log Emily, you see the place of birth has been deleted from the object list. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.